In operational and risk management contexts, an incident refers to any unplanned or unexpected event that disrupts normal business processes, systems, services, or people. Unlike a theoretical risk, which represents something that might happen, an incident is a realized event. It has actually occurred and requires immediate attention. Importantly, not all incidents cause loss, but they do signal that something has gone wrong in the operational environment. These events can be physical, technical, or procedural in nature. For example, a software crash during peak service hours is an IT incident, while a worker injury due to a safety lapse is an occupational incident. Both disrupt normal functioning. What makes an event an incident is its impact on continuity and stability. It's not about blame, it's about identifying the disruption and restoring control. By treating incidents as critical data points, organizations can detect weak spots and prevent future occurrences. Every incident is evidence that a risk has been realized. While risk is a forecast or a potential issue, an incident is its manifestation. For instance, consider a bank that flags cybersecurity as a top risk. If hackers exploit a system vulnerability and compromise customer data, the bank is no longer dealing with a risk, it's facing an incident. This breach must be managed, investigated, and learned from. Another example is a manufacturing firm where faulty machine maintenance is a known risk. If a machine breaks down and halts production, that event is an operational incident. It represents a failure in controls or mitigation efforts. By analyzing incidents, businesses identify where risk controls failed or were absent. This turns reactive problem solving into proactive risk management. Incidents provide a reality check. They reveal how and where risk materializes, helping refine both prevention and response strategies. Consider the case of a large national retail chain that suffered a major point-of-sale (POS) system outage across 400 stores during a weekend sales event. The incident began when a routine software update conflicted with outdated infrastructure, causing a total halt in transactions. Customers couldn't pay, inventory data was frozen, and stores were forced to close early. No direct financial loss was reported from theft or damage, but the business suffered reputational harm, operational delays, and lost sales revenue. This incident did not stem from a cyber attack or external factor. It was an internal operational failure. The event highlighted weaknesses in the company's IT governance and testing protocols. Post-incident analysis revealed insufficient testing environments and lack of rollback procedures. The company responded by overhauling its change management framework and introducing layered testing before deployment. This real-life case illustrates how incidents can expose vulnerabilities that remain hidden until something breaks.